So boys, now I am going to show you how to do this matching. This is number 1. That means in question paper you will have this matching in question number 1. Okay, so you have to match the words and with their meanings with column A and column B. So in column A there will be some words and in column B there will be some meanings and more than you need. So you have to match the words with their meaning. Okay, so in column A I have written holiday, then journey, language, club and NGO. Okay, so you have to find out the meanings in column B. First of all, we have holiday, so you will read from the beginning. In number 1, Roman number 1, there is written an association dedicated to a particular interest or activity. Number 2, non-governmental organization. Number 3, a set of rooms for living. Number 4, an extended period of leisure and recreation. So I think I have got the answer. Holiday means an extended period of leisure and recreation. Okay, then number 5, a person who works in a bank. Number 6, an act of traveling from one place to another. Number 7, a principal method of human communication. So boys, you will find like me. First of all, you will find out the meaning of number A, that means holiday. I have found it in number 4. Then you will write like me. I will show it to you later. Then number B is journey. Then you will find out the meaning of journey like me. Okay, now I am going to show you how to write these answers. So in number A you will write first the number, that means number A. Then you will write which number goes with which number, that means you have to write the number of column A here, then a plus sign, then the number of column B with which number it matches. Okay, so number A matches with number 4, that means Roman number 4 of column B, then an extended period of leisure and recreation. Now you will write the main word, that is holiday. Then you will write the meaning of the word, an extended period of leisure and recreation. Okay, so boys, when you will write the answer in exam hall, you need not copy this matching. Okay, but when you are writing this now, that means you are doing the CW. First of all, you will draw a box like me. Okay, then you will write column A and column B. Then you will write the words and also the meaning of the words. Then you will write the answer in the next page like me. Okay, so number B was journey. So journey goes with column number 6, column B number 6. So journey, the meaning of journey is an act of traveling from one place to another. So you will write like me. First of all, you will put the number, then B plus column number, the number of column B 6, then journey, then the meaning, an act of traveling from one place to another. Okay, then number C is language. So language goes with number 7 of column number B. Okay, a principal method of human communication. So you will write like this: C plus column number 7 of column number B, then language, a principal method of human communication. Okay, then number D goes for club. Okay, so club, an association dedicated to a particular interest or activity. That's why you will write like this: D plus Roman number 1, then the main word club, then the meaning of the word, an association dedicated to a particular interest or activity. Okay, then number E, NGO. What is the meaning of NGO? NGO goes with non-governmental organization. So you will write like E plus Roman number 2. Okay, E plus Roman number 2, then the main word NGO, non-governmental organization, the meaning of the word. I hope boys, all of you are clear about it. Okay, and you can write it down in your CW copy and you have understood how to write it down. Okay, so this is all about your question number 1, that means matching with column A and column B. Now I am going to give you some true false and you have to write it down in your CW copy. Okay, so here you can see that I have written write true for correct statement and false for incorrect statement. So you need not write the correct answer, you will just write false or true. Okay, true for true and false for false. Okay, so boys, actually there can be 6 true false in your question paper, but I have collected these true false from whole unit 1, so you have to write it down in your CW copy and you have to practice it at home. First of all, you have to read out the text very carefully, then you have to find out the meaning of the difficult words for the word matching, and you have to read each and every line very carefully for true false. Okay, then number A, I have written, boys, Jessica is going to Barishal. This is false. You know, Jessica is not going to Barishal. Okay, number B, Sima and Jessica are at the bus stop. This is false. Then Jessica is from United Kingdom. This is true. Then Sima and Thomal come to the club to practice speaking English. This is true. So boys, if you don't read the text carefully, you will not be able to answer the true false. Okay, so Jessica is going to Barishal. You know, Jessica is not going to Barishal because Jessica is going to Chattogram. Okay, that's why if you read the text carefully, you will be able to write the answer of true false. Now there are more for you. Number D, Sima met Andy Smith at the bookshop. That is false because Thomal met Andy Smith at the bookshop. Okay, then number E, Andy Smith is working with an NGO here. This is true. Then number F, Sima and Thomal watch CDs and listen to DVDs in English. This is false because Sima and Thomal listen to CDs and watch DVDs. So if you read the lines carefully, you will be able to know if it is true or if it is false. Okay, the number G, Andy Smith is reading a book about Bangladesh. You know, this is true. Then number H, NGO means non-governmental organization. So boys, this is true. Okay, so there is another HW for you. This is question answer, page number 4. So you have 3 HWs. First of all, you have to write the question answer from page number 3. Then you have to write the question number from page number 4. Sorry, you have actually yes, you have 3 HWs. First of all, you have to write the question number from page number 4. Then you have to write the question number from page number 3. No, sorry, you have 2 HWs, and all of the things that I have taught you, you have to write it down in your CW copies. Okay, and I will discuss elaborately the question answer later in my next class, and before that you have to try how to write the question answers. Till then, boys, stay safe and healthy, and thank you for watching my class. And you have to subscribe my channel because without subscribing it, you will not be notified when I will upload the class. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my class, boys, and do all the CWs and HWs very carefully. So you have 2 HWs from page number 3 and page number 4 question answers. Okay, thank you very much.